Sardinia is becoming increasingly popular with international buyers, but it's not always easy to find a great property there for under $150,000. So, we're very excited to feature this 200 square metre 4-bedroom 4-bathroom villa with a roof terrace overlooking the historic centre of Tresnuraghes. This home has been very nicely restored and is in move-in ready condition. Because of its desirable location, this would make a wonderful holiday home share with friends and family who could visit at different times of the year. With a population of just 1,200, the village is a short drive to the coast, and most notably the famous beach of Porto Alabé with its fine pink sand beach. One of the challenges for international buyers searching for properties in Italy under €150,000 is that realtors don't always provide the most impressive photos. We'll make another video about that soon, but this is a good example of this. This is clearly an excellent home, especially for this asking price, but the photos kind of fall short of showing a good overview of how cool this house is. Anyway, for a link to the original listing and Realtors' contact details, please see below in the description. Also, thanks to everyone for subscribing to our YouTube channel and weekly emails. We've already found so many more amazing homes and can't wait to share them